Hey everyone, this is my 12th video of the year. This is Angel's Car Reviews. Today, I am back with another car review. This afternoon, I present you a full in-depth tour and walk around of the 2016 Toyota Tundra. And this could be a full in-depth tour of the Tundra. I'm going to start the engine, show it off, because of the details, and I will show you many features about the inside and the outside of the pickup truck. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start the engine and let it run. Here's the key fob. You do have your lock, unlock, and your panic button. The color of the exterior is dark gray. With black fabric interior. Power driver's seat with power recline and power lumbar. This truck has 87,000 miles. Nice. It's got a 4-spoke rudder steering wheel. You have a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability. Your parking brake is down here. It's fully operated. Not bad. So, let's go and flip the headlights, fog lights, also the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And let's look at the exterior. Under the hood, you will find it's a 5.7-liter V8 engine. It produces 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. This is the TSS off-road package. Locks in place, place with the fuel cap. You also do have a backup camera, as you can see. It's got running boards right here. You do have your power windows, power locks, window switch. You can turn on the headlights there. You can see the gauges better. Over here, you have your tachometer, your speedometer, fuel gauge, temperature, oil, and your battery. You also do, coming to the steering wheel, you do have your volume controls on the steering wheel. You do have your menu controls on the steering wheel. This is your driver info system. Don't forget, this is your bolstering extensions off to the side. You also do have your voice command, Bluetooth telephone controls, display, and right to the steering wheel, you also do have your cruise control and your windshield wipers. Your power mirrors are located in the center here. You do have your trunk light, I believe, and this is to. These are the buttons for the truck. Alright, coming to the center stack, you do have your AM FM radio with CD player. You do have your audio. You can go to apps, home button, seek, track, your map card, auto recycling, AC, front defrost, simple to use, automatic climate control, your temperature, and your different zones. You do have your cup holders. You do have your storage cubby right here. You do have your center console storage, power outlet, and USB. Oh, this is the SR5 edition. You can get a sunroof on the Tundra if you want to. Sunglass container. You do have your interior illumination lighting as well. It's not bad, nothing to see in this vehicle. And also do have your auto dimming rear mirror. Not bad. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Right to the steering wheel, you do have your traction control off button, your tow haul mode, gain power. You can also put output as well, and the type button. I think you can pull stuff with your truck as well. You can pull something with the truck because trucks are very strong, you know. All right. What a big truck. And let's go and shut down the Tundra. Now let's check out the back seat. Power outlet, rear air vents. You do have your simple armrest with cup holders. Illumination lighting. Yeah, you also do have your rear window as well. Alright, now let's check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? And also the trunk, don't forget that. All right, so here's the trunk. It's got a lot of stuff in there. And also, this is to fold down the rear seats, I believe. You have your manual passenger seat. Good size glove box. And right here, this is the owner's manual. It tells you everything about the vehicle. Alright, not bad. Alright folks, now we come to the conclusion. Hope you guys enjoyed this in-depth look of the 2016 Toyota Tundra. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you next time. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smack the like button if you like this video. This is Angel's Car Review signing off. Take care and have a great day.